Hello children. So let's continue our chapter 2, inserting features. In module 2, we are going to learn about how to set the borders and shading for our inserted table, and how to resizing the table, the auto fit features, how to insert the pictures, and how to adjust the group, and how to change the picture styles group. Let's start. So in MS Word application, I just created one student mark list. So let's see how to give the borders and shading for this table. To create the borders and shading option to this table, select the table first. So here the plus symbol is there. You just select the whole table. After that, click on design under table tools. When you click the whole table, you can able to view the table tool option here. In table tool option, you just select the design tab. So once you click the design tab, you can view the group name border. So you just select the borders dialog box launcher. So this is the dialog box launcher. You just select it. So you can able to view some options available here: borders, page borders, and shading. So first I'm going to set the border for the table. So I'm just choosing which border I needed. And we can able to change the colors also with. After that, you just go to the page border, and shading is also available. Next I'm moving to the shading option. You can choose the color from the drop down list and choose it. And there will be the option where we want to apply this. So here you just select the table and click OK. Now we can view that border and shading option is applied to our created table. So the next one is resizing the table. To resize a table manually, select the table. Click the resize handle. This is the resize handle. So we can once you select the table, we can to view the resize handle in the corner of the table. Drag the resize handle inwards to make the table smaller, and drag the handle outwards to make the table bigger. So this is how we are resizing our table. The next option is auto fit features. The auto fit feature in Word automatically fixes the width of a column according to the amount of data. Place the cursor in the table. Click on the Layout tab under Table Tools. So we select the table, we can view the table tools here. Okay, in this table tools, you just select the Layout tab. In Layout tab, there will be the group name, cell size, option name, auto fit. You just select it. In this drop down list, we view the options like auto fit contents, auto fit window, fixed column width. So we just clicking auto fit contents. So that table is resized by the amount of data which is typed in the table. The next option is auto fit window. So the next option is inserting pictures. To insert picture from a file, click where you want to insert the picture first. After that, move to the Insert tab. In Insert tab, we can view the illustrations group. illustration group, we can option like pictures. Select the picture from the insert picture window. So select the image and click insert button. The next option is adjust group. This group provides you option to format like correction, color, artistic effects, compress picture, etc. To adjust the brightness or contrast of a picture, select the picture and click on the correction button in the adjust group under format tab. So I'm just selecting the picture. After that, move to the format tab. In format tab, there is the option name corrections. In correction drop down list, we can able to view some default template which is available here. You just choose which you need. To adjust the sharpness of a picture, select the picture and click on the correction options. So here itself we can able to view the option name sharpen and softness of the image. You just choose which one you need. By using the color option from adjust group, we can change the color, color tone, etc. Click color button and select the desired option from the drop down list displayed. Last option is picture styles group. The picture styles group helps you to choose the overall visual styles and apply visual effect to your picture. To select an overall visual style, select the picture first and go to the format tab. In format tab, there is a group name picture style. Click the drop down list and choose the picture style which you needed. To change the picture effect, select the picture effect options in picture styles group and you can see the options here. You can choose the option as your need.